Hi guys, I'm Pravalika working as assistant professor in MRCE in the department of CSM. Today I'm going to discuss about the subject name is machine learning. So in previously we already discussed about the supervised learning. Now I am going to discuss about the unsupervised learning. So in the unsupervised learning we are going to take the raw input data, that is nothing but which is not classified in generally in the real world. We are going to take the unsupervised data only. Why? Because if I am giving to some information to the system, so raw data only I am giving. For example, you are using the chat gpt, so just you are giving some information to chat gpt and it is classified your data and it is give the output as exactly what you want, yes or no. So here also same thing will be happening in the unsupervised learning. It takes the input raw data that is unlabeled, which is not classified data, that interpretation in the data, and it is applied some algorithms to these raw data, and it processes the data, and then it gives the output as exactly how the user wants to. Okay, so for these unsupervised learning, we are going to use two types of classified data, that is clustering and association. What is clustering? Clustering is nothing but it is a similarity of data, either dissimilarity of data grouped together. Okay, so it means that a similarity of data means if I am taking a one class students, okay, there is a students only, I am taking a students means there is a girls or boys. Okay, so then similarity groups are there, so that is girls or boys, just I am taking a students. If dissimilarity means if I am declaring the gender declaration, that's a girls or boys, no, so there is a two different, so if I am taking a two different genders in one group, that is a dissimilarities. Okay, so that is a clustering. I am going to divide the clusters like girls and boys. So for these clustering we are going to use algorithm, that is k-means clustering, db-scan algorithm, and principal component analysis and dependent component analysis. So next is association. Association technique is nothing but which finds interesting relations between among variables within a large data set, and one variable will be depend on the another variable of data set. Okay, so it is nothing but for example, if we are taking a one supermarket, okay, in the supermarket one customer is going to supermarket and he wants to find something in the supermarket. So how he will find? He have to take the suggestion from the supermarket sales person, or else he need to find himself. Okay, so what he want to find? If you want to take a rava or something, no, you want to find some kinds of rava. From that you need to clarify, you need to divide that which is used for yourself, which rava you want. So that will be one variable will be depend on other variable. If you want to cook, for example, if you want to cook upma, so you want a rava and peanuts, oil, like that, no. So upma will be depend on these three variables. Okay, these three variables comes under the data set. Okay, so these association will be used in the market box analysis, basket analysis, and web usage mining and continuous production. For these association, we are going to use the appear algorithm, eclat, and fp growth algorithms. Okay, in the unsupervised learning, we have the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages or nothing. What are the advantages? Advantages, how we are going to use these unsupervised learning. So generally we are going to use these in a real time. So we are going to take the raw data and we convert the raw data into actual data, that is labeled data. That is one more advantages. And we are using algorithms on one data set, that is also one advantages. What is the disadvantages? Means it has a less accurate as the data set is not labeled, because we are taking a raw data, we don't know how much accurate it has. Okay, and thank you for listening. Thank you.